Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sindhu from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Now in this video, let us discuss about arrays of structures. Coming to the introduction to arrays of structures. Arrays of structures are a data structure that allows us to store multiple instances of a structure in a single variable. Each element of the array represents one instance of the structure. Arrays of structures are useful when dealing with large amounts of related data. Coming to contents, what we will discuss in this video are declaring and initializing arrays of structures, accessing and modifying elements in arrays of structures, traversing arrays of structures, sorting arrays of structures, searching arrays of such structures, multi-dimensional arrays of structures, passing arrays of structures to functions, and at last conclusion. Coming to declaring and initializing arrays of structures. To declare an array of structures, we specify the structure type followed by the array name and size in square brackets. For example, struct employee employees in bracket 10 declares an array of 10 employee structures. Each element of the array can be accessed using the array index starting from 0. Initializing 2D arrays use nested initializers. Row is the innermost, column is outermost. Coming to accessing and modifying elements in array structures. To access a specific element in the array, we use the array name followed by the index in square brackets. For example, employees in bracket 3 dot name access the name field of the fourth element in the employees array. We can assign new values to the fields of the structure using the assignment operator. Coming to traversing arrays of structures. Traversing an array of structures means accessing and processing each element of the array. We can use loops such as for or while loops to iterate over the array. By using a loop, we can perform operations on each structure in the array efficiently. Coming to sorting arrays of structures. Sorting an array of structures allow us to arrange the elements in a specific order. We can sort the array based on one or more fields of the structure using various sorting algorithms. Sorting can be done in both ascending or descending order. Coming to searching arrays of structures, searching an array of structures involves finding a specific element or a set of elements that meet criterion certainly. We can use various searching algorithms such as linear search or binary search to find the desired elements. The search can be based on one or more fields of the structure. Coming to multi-dimensional arrays of structures. Arrays of structures can also be multi-dimensional, allowing us to store structured data in multi-dimensionals. For example, struct matrix that is in bracket 3 and in another bracket 3 declares a 3 cross 3 matrix of matrix structures. Accessing elements in a multi-dimensional array follows the same syntax as sending elements in a regular array. Using a 3D array, three-dimensional arrays can also be used to store data. One example of a three-dimensional array may be a Tetris piece, where each position of the piece is stored in the 3D array as a 2D array. Coming to passing arrays of structures to functions. Array of structures can be passed as arguments to functions, allowing us to perform operations on the entire array. When passing an array of structures, we typically pass it as a pointer to the first element. Functions can modify the elements in the array as the array is passed by reference. At last, coming to the conclusion, arrays of structures provide a flexible and efficient way to store and manipulate structured data. They allow us to work with manipulate instances of a structure using a single variable. By utilizing arrays of structures, we can organize and process large amounts of related data efficiently. Thank you for watching this video.